Traders, top of the morning to everybody, and welcome to the 44 Trading Room, and welcome to a wonderful Wednesday, midweek hump day, and we are here to get this game on today. Tell you what, great day yesterday, and I think even a better day today as we cut through what I seem to think was a pullback. Could you say pullback yesterday? I don't know that. Or could you say another move coming? Or do we bounce today? We'll have to talk about that and more as we start this day off. We'll start off with the Asian markets, get an idea of where we've been globally here, where we saw the Nikkei lose 613 points. Hong Kong Hang Seng up 76, Shanghai and China up almost 5 points, 4.562. Europe still in session right now. German DAX down 246, FTSE in UK up 9, CAC 40 in Paris up 36. You combine that with Asia, you've got 4 markets up, 2 markets down. Now, the 2 markets that are down are the bigger of the 6 markets, but it puts pressure on the upside to the futures here, and that's what we have, although we're starting to give that back. Dow futures are down 79 points, NASDAQ futures are up 50, and the S&P futures are up 6. So we're skating on thin ice this morning as we get this day started. Oil's down $2.74, down 3.74%. to 70.47 per barrel. That is flirting with $70. So that's going to be interesting to see if that holds up. Gold this morning down $163.30, down under 4,000, 39.8610 per troy ounce. Silver's down almost is $3.67 down to 58.40 per troy ounce. So that's not good. Copper's down, platinum's down pretty big, over 5%. Palladium is down as well. Quick check on crypto. Bitcoin, if you're in that, down below 62,000, 61,724.03, down 556.64, almost 1% down. Ether's down $10 to $1,648.10. Solana's down, Doge is down, XRP down this morning. Headline news: Trump claims Iran assured there won't be tolls on the Strait of Hormuz, which is a good thing. And the Treasury, U.S. Treasury is going to oversee the frozen Iranian funds when they get released. And then oil, big headline news, that's under $75. GDP growth, Treasury Secretary Bessent says that U.S. GDP growth can return to 3% before the end of the year. That's good. And then we'll see here. That's about it this morning. Wendy's is the meme stock of the day, WEN. You see that up on my board here. And then we're going to have to just pick the stocks, and we're going to have to go with what we know here and trade and be successful today. So let's say good morning to all. Christian, good morning. Morning, Mark. Happy hump day to you. ABSI. Let me take a look at ABSI here. SpaceX down this morning too. ABSI. And then, yeah, big time move up. Let's see what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, brand new high, I think. No. Okay, yeah, looks good. I'll keep that up here actually, and I'll put FedEx over here. SpaceX not really participating today, and let's put FedEx right here. FDX. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right. Morning, Steve. Clifton, good morning. Yep. Jonathan, good evening. Good morning. Jay, good morning. Big Gal, good morning. Seth, good morning. Tadash, good morning. And Dan, good morning to all of you. And good morning to everybody on YouTube. Listen, if you're on YouTube and you're trying to get into this room, you can do so. We've got a 7-day free trial. Just sign up. We'll let you in. You check it out and make sure that this decision is great for you. Michael, aloha to you, my friend. Okay, let's post a few trades here this morning. I like MU right out of the gate here, 1100. MU long, 1100. We'll watch that stock this morning. I'd love to see that pullback at the start of the day here. CBRS under 205. This is my short for the day. CBRS short under 20 under. Wait, let me redo this here. Okay, here we go. One more time. CBRS. There we go. CBRS short under 205. Okay. Watch that one. And then we've got Wendy's this morning, anything over 8 on WEN. Risky trade, but it's in the it's making waves here this morning. So take it over the whole number 8. You can load up on it here, which will be a good thing. I love AVGO this morning, 392, but I like ARM a bit better here. So ARM, we'll post this alert here, ARM long over the 380. There we go. And then last but not least, SanDisk over 2000. Okay, SNDK. Okay, all right, we go back here. There we go. And last one, SNDK 2000. SNDK long over 2000. Okay, we are set to go here this morning. We get started in about 3 minutes. What I'm going to do is I will move. I have ARM here, SanDisk, Wendy's, CBRS, MU. The only other one, FedEx this morning. Now, I want to read to you on the FedEx trade here because it was one that I was looking to get into. And then I read this here this morning. I hear DVG coming in as well. What do you say, Chief?
How you doing? Good to see you, Scott.
You? Yep.
It looks like Amir joined the party too. Amir, good morning.
I'm here. Yeah, how are
Good
you?
morning. Good morning, Amir.
Sometimes you fade away, Scott. Your voice, I don't know what's up.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, a little bit. Now it's steady.
Okay.
Top pick for me today, y'all. Nvidia. I'm buying this dip. Let's see if we can hold this 200. We started a nibble here pre-market. 200 big psychological level number wise, and definitely looking to see if we can get a bounce, even on names like SpaceX. So no doubt we've got some volatility. Maybe unwinding Besant's good news, we'll say. So I'm going to definitely give it a few minutes here at the open and let markets figure out direction where they want to go.
Yep.
My main
what are you thinking
candidates,
this morning?
MU and SPCX.
Okay. SpaceX.
Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity. SpaceX both ways. MU also. MU was my magic yesterday. Now, for those that will say, and it refers also for what Scott referred, SanDisk, which are expensive stocks. Let me tell you what yesterday I trade with my student. He's risking $200. So basically, the trade that I did on MU, I did longs and I did short, were between $5 to $10 stop. So in one trade, he just took 20 shares. But you know, the last portion, he had like 5 shares. It did almost 40. So multiply the last quarter. That's the way to if you want to trade SanDisk and you want to trade MU, don't look at the number, look at the formation, look at the stop, and you're going to see that it will fit you according to what you are risking. So I'm saying
traders, about 40 seconds left before we tee it up here. And again, in order, I'm going to be looking. Hey, Lee, good morning. Thank you, Jonathan, for posting. Appreciate that. I'll be looking at MU at the get-go here on the upside, and then CBRS to the downside. The semiconductor company dropped 11% after posting first earnings report since going public in May. Its first earnings report. They reported first quarter loss of 22 cents on revenues of 193.4 million. Company also expects its margin to shrink. So not good news here. We'll see if that CBRS gives us an opportunity here this morning. Okay. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good luck, traders.
Let's have a great day today.
Also, I posted you. I'm watching for small cap. So variety we have. Let's see what we're gonna do with that. No, 63. Whoa.
I'm going to add to NVIDIA here in a moment. Let's see if we can get over the 200 EMA. Some sellers showing up on the queues this morning.
Yep. See if we do get that bounce on MU. I'm going to take it over 1070 this morning, 1070. I'll post it here, MU long, 1070.
Probably if it's going to stop here, I'm going to join you because it actually clicked the low of the pre-market, the 60 area. Few dollars under, but yeah. Wow. Look what the volume it was, God.
Yeah.
We're going to add NVIDIA here. We'll share size.
AVGO, nice move. Pulling back now. Yeah, CBRS would have been a great short right out of the get-go here. We'll see what happens here. We're only up 44 points.
Come on, NVIDIA. Let's take off now. Looking for the bounce now on the Qs.
Well, look at Marvel, MRVL. Put that one on your radar. Getting
Yeah, it
smashed
just
this morning.
dumped. Yeah.
Yeah.
From being the popular kids in the class, it's now neglected, huh?
Yeah, it sure does. Sure is. Okay, I'm watching MU for that entry again. 1070. If we get back up there.
Okay, here comes NVIDIA. Looking for 205. Let's go.
Okay, traders. AVGO 388 may not have time to post it here.
Bingo.
AVGO long 388. AVGO
Bingo.
long 388.
Look
Stop
at
loss will be
NVIDIA, baby.
384. Here we go.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Wow,
Here
that
comes the
ABSI
bounce.
really took off. Super good. Okay, traders, I am long and strong MU.
Watch the breakout now on the Qs above the 200 EMA. I'm watching it on a 5-minute now. There we go. SpaceX, nice bounce. Come on, NVIDIA. You can do better than that.
SpaceX is doing exactly what it did yesterday, huh? But the bounce is so aggressive, you can't even understand it. Doing exactly what it did yesterday, SpaceX.
I'm looking for close to 1090 on MU. We get this bounce here, we'll see.
Come on, NVIDIA. Get up there. IWM moving higher. Interesting. Let's stick around here. Watching Meta this morning. All right, guys. We should see a breakout now in the Qs.
Qs are up 141 points right now. Looking good, strong.
Come
Wow,
on,
that
NVIDIA.
ABSI. Whoa.
What was that move? Ooh. TSM looking good as well.
Go
Not
MU,
enough
go.
volume. Here comes the breakout now in the Qs, y'all. If it's going to happen. Look at Microsoft. I'm going to go for it right here, Microsoft. Full share size. 37652. Yikes.
Okay, here comes MU. Come on, baby. Dial this in for us here. Okay, I'm going to take SanDisk also over 2,000. Small share size here, obviously. SNDK. Long 2,000. $2,000 stock. Wow. Okay, big time move. I did not get a good fill here, but we're moving in the right direction. Let's go.
Look at Microsoft straight up now. Targets would be like in the 380s. 382 maybe.
Wow. Take a look at SanDisk. Got filled at 2003. It's printing 2020.
Wow.
Sometimes, DVG, sometimes.
What is the spreads though, Scott?
It was huge. I got filled like $3 out of the spread.
Yeah,
Three
no,
dollars out
right
of my
now, right now, what is the spread?
spread right now on what on SanDisk?
Yeah.
It's about what $3?
Hmm.
No, it's less than that dollar. It's flashing $1 now, so it's not bad. It was as high as 3.
Nice bounce on Meta here. And Q's now pulling back a bit. NVIDIA, what are you doing? No, wrong direction. Oh, come on.
Wendy's at the top. I thought about that CBRS at 200. Did not take it. Come on, Q's. Let's go.
There we go. Softy. Come on. 380, baby.
MU
32 would be
reports
amazing.
today, right?
Yeah, after close.
Yep.
There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on, Microsoft. Get up there. Meta and Microsoft in the news today talking about just more and more deals
Yep.
they're brokering. So
Okay,
there's
those
the
will be-
push. Microsoft. Yes. It's just yes.
FedEx closed the gap here. Okay, those of you that are looking to get into AVGO 388,
Getting ready to take a partial on Microsoft here in a moment.
come on, MU, do it for us here. SanDisk and MU both tanking. Go figure.
Go, Microsoft, go.
AFRM, yeah.
Meta straight up as well. Unbelievable.
They're carrying the NASDAQ right now because it's not,
It's not tanking.
yeah. Is Wendy's halted? Yeah.
Here comes the breakout on Microsoft. Going to take a partial, guys, in a moment.
AFRM. Marvel getting cratered here. Wow.
Market's trying to flush low, flush to the downside. I like CRDO to the downside, actually. That was my big short for the day, but I didn't take it. Watching the Qs here on their way to the close at 71365. See if we tag that and bounce. Should be a double bottom if we're going to hold that. If not, maybe we get a flush. We'll see.
Yeah, good thoughts.
CRDO tanking. Shoot. I wanted to get in there at 278. NVIDIA, Meta, Microsoft are the only way this market stays propped up, but MU is definitely getting hammered with profit taken, I would imagine, today with earnings.
Yeah, and they may just have blowout earnings. You know, you never know, right?
Oh, yeah.
With MU.
Yeah. When you figure, I think, based on their last report, it was like, take into account maybe it's like $1 or $10 per share. And
Right.
needless to say, I imagine they'll do better than that. Guys, watch the cues here. We're tagging the close now. Do we bottom out here, or do we really bite down and start to tank? Looking a little heavy here on the cues. SpaceX tanking now, 151. This next candle should be the decision for the day, I think. If we bounce, bulls win. If we don't, bears take over.
Look at, I mean, I was talking SanDisk over 2,000. I came out of it with about 6 points of profit, and now it's printing 1930. I mean, 70 points, right? In what? In a 5-minute candle.
Well,
I'm watching Wendy's over 854.
Got it up here on my charts, up in the
Yeah.
right corner. It was halted.
it's now or never on the cues, y'all.
Look at Marvel. Oof. Marvel's down what? A bag today. Down 3%, right?
New session
SpaceX
was
flirting
okay.
with 151 now. Interesting.
Should get a bounce here. I'm still waiting for Microsoft to hit that 380.
Okay, it's not relevant. Wendy's broke the support area, so the burger was burned in Wendy's.
Yeah. Okay, I mean, overall market holding on. I don't see how, because everything I'm looking at, MU, SanDisk, ARM, AVGO, everything's getting crushed here. Marvel. Microsoft up today?
Mm-hmm. Meta up as well, but getting a pullback here. I do think this is where bulls need to at least try to get a bounce in the market. If we lose this, bye-bye, downside. But we're right here at the close on the cues. We're just above it on the SPY. We're up about 0.3%.
SPCX 152. Want to see if we can bounce. Want to scalp it. Stop will be low of this candle, so it's around $1.
CRWV.
Here comes NVIDIA. Blast off time. Come on, make up your mind. It'll be an incredible trade if it does.
Okay, I'm going to go long MU.
SpaceX too, looking great.
MU at 1050. Traders.
Okay,
MU long at
SpaceX.
1050.
Whoa!
Yeah.
$1.50 in a second. I want to see if we can do above this candle. Then I'm going to wait for a 3/4 partial. We got to the view up. I want to give it a chance to see if the next candle at least try to. But definitely we have almost, yeah, we have good high of this candle, 153.70. Let's see.
Here we go. Come on, Bulls. I can't believe I'm rooting for the Bulls right now.
Scott, where did you take MU?
At 10:50 here. I'm not in yet. I'm waiting
Oh.
on it.
Yeah.
105
I'm going to
yeah.
join you 10:50.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Waiting 20 seconds. What will be our stop? Yeah, $5. Yeah, $5. Looking good. Join you definitely.
Okay, I'm coming into the stock right here. I'm in the stock right now. 149, 1049.98. See if we can get this thing to go now.
Still waiting for SpaceX. It's $1.50. I didn't take anything. I'm waiting. It's building a bull figure, like kind of a trick. It's on the view up, not above. But look what the market doing, if it will relate to, and basically it's
Come on, NVIDIA, what are you doing?
MU didn't pass the 150. It's actually 105000. Emerson flash.
Hmm. Uh-oh. There's a fight at the close here on the Qs now.
Yep, going to hang in here for a little bit longer on MU. When Microsoft coming down as well. We just had a small pop, as we all saw, and then
Yep.
nothing.
A little concerning.
Yep.
Maybe we aim lower now. Oh, NVIDIA, what are you doing?
The bears are very aggressive today, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very aggressive.
Well, I'm okay with switching gears and go bearish, but
It's not bears and bulls, it's bears and cats. That's what it look like.
bears and burgers, man.
Yeah, bear and birds, maybe. Yeah, doesn't look like birds and bulls. Okay, MU is doing a double bottom here.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel the pain on MU now.
Yeah, 0.42. I'm gonna get into MU 10.42, and the stop will be the low of the day, so it's around $10. Yeah, $10. 10.42. I don't have time to write, guys. Sorry. SpaceX did a retest. I'm okay with that if it's going to break the previous highs, 103.70.
All right. I'm going to add to every position I have to the upside. So Microsoft, let's add. NVIDIA will add. And I'm going to actually pick up SpaceX here, 153.50.
The high 70. I think I'm going to add more above 70. That's what I was thinking. The high is like 153.70. So I'm going to add. I'm going to give it a dollar stop again for the. It's not technical. It's just kind of something for to take amount.
I'm looking at
And-
call options on the Qs too. SpaceX, we're in. Here we go.
Wow,
Bingo.
that was nice.
Yeah. Nice
It
break.
remind the 152 break. Good. Wow.
Come on, MU.
Watch the Qs, guys. This should be the big rip candle.
1060,
green.
I'm going to add. 1060, I'm going to double my share size here on MU.
Definitely. See, guys, MU, it's exactly what I told you yesterday. Got 1042, $10. It did immediately like 15. Like, if you take the right stop, you know, and you give it breathe, it's just walking. Just walking.
We're going to do a one-way trip on the Qs right now, y'all. I've got call options for tomorrow at 722 strike. Paid a little under 390 for them. They're already printing 416. It's go time. SpaceX, baby.
Oh,
Well, they're from 152 DVG in SpaceX. Wow.
It should take off now to the close 156.11.
Yeah.
just
Need
touched
NVIDIA
that
to pop.
1060 on MU. I need MU to pop here too.
Watch the SPY formation looking like
You
it'll
want
break
60,
out.
you got 61, Scott.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Okay.
I've doubled the share size here. Now I
Yeah.
really need it to go. 1070 will be my first partial.
I think
1070.
74, Scott. We have
All
the resistance 75. We can throw something 74. I hope so.
If we get past that VWAP right there, I'd be excited.
Watch
Yeah.
the big green candle coming right now. We're at the 200 EMA on a 1 minute, y'all, for the Qs.
2 minutes
should
we are
get it.
above Europe, Scott.
Yep.
In 2 minutes at least.
Let's hope
You're
so.
watching it 5 minutes or you're
5 minutes,
including
yeah,
the
I'm watching it.
pre-market?
I'm watching the 5.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Come on.
DVG, the chart of NVIDIA looked like somebody that got a heart attack. His echo gate.
Exactly.
No.
The EKG.
Unbelievable. I'm watching that guy need hospital.
Well, I like this tight consolidation.
I don't
but-
like I don't like chart like this, you know. I don't know what
Yeah, because it can go either way now. Now it's 50-50,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Like we
yeah,
can
it's
totally
like-
snap the bottom.
No,
and
no. I
down we
see
go,
something this, and just avoid. I was just paying attention because I have this chart of NVIDIA all the time, but it looks disgusting.
My target on NVIDIA is 204.91 to be exact. Like I'd love to see 205, but 204.91 is where I've got a ton for sale up there. Assuming, maybe I step away for some tea and then boom, it just shoots up there. I get filled.
Usually
but
it's working. Yeah, you put the orders and yeah. Nice.
SpaceX, what are you doing? You silly goose.
Come on,
Maybe
MU.
it's
Just a small
retest.
breather here and then continue.
Maybe it's a retest to the viewer.
Oh man, so the SPY wants to rip. The Q's just holding everything back right under this 200 EMA. For those of y'all watching on a 1 minute, I mean, it is like just underneath. And if it can get above that 200 EMA on a 5 minute, that would give me a little more conviction that we're going to break out to the upside. That said, I'm watching the 55 SMA on the 5 minute as well, just kind of helping me figure out like our institutional traders going to step up today, or is it just retail fighting a good fight? But I am full bull today.
Yeah, imagine that.
Go figure.
I get the sense that you're trading with a knife in your teeth. You get
Uh,
this feeling. Yeah,
no.
you're aggressive today, DVG.
I am aggressive today.
Yeah, I
I
feel
got a
it.
little. I got some.
What did you put in your tea?
Yeah, I know, right? No, I just had some lousy news to wake up to, but it kind of gave me a little pep in my step to be grateful. So if I haven't said it yet, appreciate all of you, Scott, Amir,
Absolutely.
and the team.
What happened?
Just we'll say life,
Oh, in your family?
friends. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Now or never. Now or never.
let's go. Come on, MU. You certainly don't make it easy for anybody, do you?
No, Scott, it's like those, I don't know if it's algo trading but they start to be more sophisticated, because I have SpaceX and AMU, which I'm in. Both of them almost the same formation. One is above both of them, and you see the beautiful formation, break it,
Yep.
give it a little bit, and then they are coming in and just...
I'm not loving Nvidia as much anymore now. I need to see it actually push that high of session so that I can breathe easy. Like you said, get the knife out of my teeth.
Yeah. Let's go.
You can mix your tea with the knife.
Yeah, in a situation like this, though, it would normally be pretty bearish because A, we're trending down, we're below the 200 EMA, or below the VWAP. That said, the market manipulation is a whole new level, and
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if we just see a massive candle to just squeeze all the short positions that have gotten in there because a lot of shorts right now are coming from the retail side. So that's
If
just
you wa-
providing liquidity.
If you watch the SPY and the Q DVG with 5 minutes, the bulls look more aggressive. If you see the size of the candle and everything,
Hmm.
if it was a stock, yeah, I would say like you have the SPY first 5 minutes strong, and then they need 1, 2, 3 candle to go down, and then immediately the first green, new high.
It's
So
engulf,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. So definitely you can see, and also almost the same formation, a little bit far behind is the Q. So it looks more bullish. You're right, than bearish for sure.
Yeah, it's just it obviously can go either way. To the downside, what is more favorable from a trend short term perspective. But
Okay.
I just think that overnight we saw a pretty decent consolidation. Pretty like sideways action, more or less. Um, so my point being, if bulls want to fight, today's the day because there's a ton of shorts entering the market right now. Interest is
Okay.
going up. So
Now you can explain it to my buying power because I was very, very green in both trades. Almost everything vanished. So it's a good explanation what I told you about the market, but I don't see right now
it's showing up red on your screen.
it's a reflection in my yeah. So
Yeah, trust me, me too with this with Microsoft now.
no, I'm just in MU and SpaceX. That's it. Two
Yeah, I've got
trades.
three. I've got Microsoft, Nvidia, SpaceX, and I suppose I've call options too on the Qs, but target strike is 722. About 1% overhead.
Yep. Come
Starting
on.
to feel like a sideways day, inside day.
Yeah, I mean, it's starting to feel like real slow right now, right?
Yeah.
SpaceX is still holding very nice the view up. Yeah, it looks okay. Um,
Yeah, ARAX, so we're flexing on them, right? We'll see, though. I mean, the good news is I'm not stubborn when it comes to like, if I'm wrong, I don't care. I get out of the way. Part of this business is being okay with being wrong all the time. And the faster you get out of the way, like I'm not here to fight the tape, you know. But if I'm
Seth, you're
risking it,
over dramatic, Seth. A little bit over dramatic. This is not you. Believe me, this is not you. I've been you in the past. It's not happen often, but that's not true.
that's gross. Really gross candle now on the Qs and
Yeah.
Microsoft.
Yeah. MU came to my entry. What a shame.
Yep.
What a shame.
I'm finding that markets have a tendency to make sense, but first, before they make sense, they do a little manipulating.
Of
Oh,
course.
the meaning of second chance. You know how much is it's. I'm doing this because sometimes they see you or whatever, they kick you up, but the keys, you still need to watch it because sometimes after the kick immediately it's going back, and then you do second chance. It's happened a lot. Yeah.
The good old the traps, right? Bull and bear traps.
Oh yeah, yeah. You see it a lot. You see it a lot. You have to be very careful. MU under 1040. I'm gonna reduce half position. Entry was 42, so damn it.
Maybe we actually flush today. I don't know, man.
Maybe.
The cues are not giving me confidence right now in these positions. And Microsoft pushing up to what, 378. We were in position. We didn't take a partial, and now I'm holding a bag right now. I don't like it.
Yep.
But SpaceX 156 is on its way. That's where I'll be taking a partial.
Yeah, it's creating amazing bull flag on the VWAP. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah,
Here it goes.
156. That's the area for the partial. Yeah. For
Getting
sure.
ready.
I'm
156.
ready. Believe me, I'm ready already. Like so ready. Never been ready.
Marvell, man, that thing, I've been wanting to short that one for a minute, and we missed it today, I'll tell you that. Let's see. Watch SpaceX. Come on.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yep.
Are you hovering the button, or do you have them for sale up at 156?
I have already an order.
Uh-huh.
155.90. Yeah. Don't forget, I got into 152 and I add 153.70, so I almost double. And it would be stupid not to put something.
Yeah.
Very stupid.
Oh, man. Microsoft and NVIDIA. They're trying to shake me out of
Thank
these.
you
I'm
very
telling
much.
Yep. I'll take a
Thank you
partial
very
right
much.
here.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful.
Nice move.
Yeah, yeah,
Super
yeah,
good for you guys.
yeah.
Amir, you and me. The 1-2 punch, man. I like it.
What do you mean? Yeah, yeah. I thought that was the two stocks that I had today. SPCX and MU. And
Can you buy
MU
some
still
NVIDIA,
struggling.
please?
MU still struggling. Very nice. MU.
Very nice move, SpaceX now. Iraq's, yep, facts over ego, 100%. Yep. Okay, here we go. We've got DVG up to bat. It's 3-2 full count.
Fact over ego is referring to what? Args.
Just getting out of a trade, not fighting the tape, it sounds like.
No, it's not
Being
ego.
wrong,
It's
it's
not
okay.
even ego. We can call the kid in his name. He's stupid. Yeah, it's stupidity. No. Ego. What ego? You're fighting? No, I'm not fighting. The market is stronger than me. If you're thinking like this, it's not the right thing. Yeah. You have to do a plan. Like I reduce because according to the way I'm trading, I reduced. I'm half size now in MU. If it's going to go over the VWAP, I will add more. Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
There's no ego. No ego.
Clifton. Well, let's. Here goes the Bulls now stepping up. If we can get it over this 200 EMA, if you guys are watching that on a 1 minute on the cues, you will see how important that indicator can be. Now, compare it to the SPY. We have been above the 200 EMA predominantly for the session thus far, whereas the Q's been below the 200 EMA. So if they can both get in lockstep, the SPY is holding above the 200 EMA and the VWAP. If the Q's can get above the 200 EMA and the VWAP, I have a feeling the bulls might hit the afterburners, and that's what we're hoping for, anyways. But quite frankly, I'm starting to get bearish.
I'm starting to get upset.
No, never.
Let's go. Come on. AFRM in play today. No volume, but in play. Thought about Marvel at 268. Can't just keep thinking, Scott. You got to push the button.
157.30.
Qualcomm Investor Day. Down to 196 now. Cerebras earnings, not so great. Here comes MU.
The VWAP. The VWAP is like,
VWAP's like a mile away.
yeah.
Come on.
Oh, Nvidia, what are you doing? Don't do this, man. Come on. Microsoft's getting expensive for me, all. So I may have to either trim up and get out of the way. Trying to be patient. But we just tagged the 200 EMA on Microsoft. Oh, Nvidia. That is disgusting. The one day I get bullish.
I wrote you trigger, and because of this, I didn't enter. Look at CUPR, Scott. Fuck.
Which one?
CUPR.
CUPR.
Yeah. I wrote the trigger, I posted it, but then I didn't get it.
Ah,
Yeah. Wow, that's a beautiful breakout. Wow, look
yeah,
at
it
this.
is.
60, 70. Aye.
Come on, MU. Carry the market for us. Dow's up 121. NASDAQ up 58. Let's go.
SpaceX about to launch.
Yep.
That's what we call the rocket formation right there. Bingo.
Those of you that are suffering with me on MU, my apologies.
No. It will go. It will go good, Scott.
Yeah.
Let me make a phone call. I'm going to call Goldman Stonks here in a minute.
Yeah, do that, please.
$10.54. I'm gonna add back the half that I reduced in, which is right now in MU. I'm gonna give it $8 stop. Okay, I'm in.
Come on, Q's, wake up, volcano.
First entry 42, and then add here.
Come on, Microsoft. There we go.
MU just turned green. Fighting, struggling.
NVIDIA, you are making me sad now. Mm-mm-mm. Bears came to party today, though.
Mm-hmm.
Like SpaceX, that should have been a full breakout. And
Pathetic, huh?
the
It's
win
good
up
that they
there
took most of
and
the profit, though,
exploded.
yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yikes. Yikes, yikes. Man, Qs are not strong today.
Not super weak either, just sitting,
Mm-hmm.
squatting.
Snooze patrol.
Mm-hmm.
Pull up Qualcomm here as well. See if that thing starts to move with their investor day. Come on, man. Oh, well.
Microsoft fighting here as well.
Mm-hmm. Tagged the close and then gave it up. NVIDIA now low session.
Oh, they don't read correct today. MU, yeah. Stupid after stupid.
I can't add to any of my trades. I just either have to trim them, manage them, or dump them.
I can't take a second partial, or sometimes I can't take a partial. You're talking about ads. Okay, there is a small graph that I'm watching. This one I'm posting here. EHGO 565, 35 cents stop.
Hey Rex, I'd like to use the 55. A lot of people use 50 though. A lot of people like the 9, like 9, 20, 50. I'm more of a 12, 22, 55. And then the 200 EMA, of course. All right, come on. This is it. Last time I'm rooting for this bullish move, because if it doesn't happen right now, I'm going to have to trim up my positions because I don't want the level of exposure and eat some loss here. But we should get it here. I like this formation. I'm seeing buyers step in. But I really need to see some aggressive bids here. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Arm low a day. Marvel just broke low a day.
Qs are aiming lower now too. Maybe the Bears are going to win today. CRDO falling off a cliff.
Hang on.
Oof. Well, maybe I'm going to turn bearish here in a minute.
Nasdaq just turned negative, flirting right there.
Looking like we might take out the low of session here on the Qs, y'all. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
I'm just sitting here taking it on the chin on MU. Hopefully just the bleeding stops right here.
Well, that's not a good sign. But one day I'm bullish, we go lower. How's that work?
Mm-hmm.
Edwin? Yep. Little test there, cool. Jonathan shorted Marvell, very nice. I think that's gonna break now on the Qs, y'all.
How about that EHGO over 5, Amir? Or you think it's
Is
broken?
that no? Look at the. I was hesitate because look at the 5 minute bar, 2 bars before that. You know, the aggressive one. This is usually where the big guys, the short guys, are coming in. I thought it usually what happened is the bar before what we have right now. Usually it can give you a scalp opportunity, and then you check if it's double top, and they are getting more aggressive, or you pop them out. When I see something like this, probably we can see the stock today even at 2. Yeah, it's already, the footsteps are already there. And see how what the volume. This bar right now is almost 800. The previous red one, 3.5 million. Yeah, you actually can see them. But look at CUPR, the one that I missed. Look at this. Now it's 711. Unbelievable. That's going exactly according. You see,
Yeah.
on the view up, break the high, volume coming.
New low on the
Like
Qs.
MU, Scott, exactly like it's doing for MU for us.
Yep.
Exactly.
MU's killing me.
Yeah, my stop is the low of the day. I got out of the ad, of course.
Nvidia now breaking down. Shoot. Ah.
It's going to be a big losing day here if MU doesn't bounce and we take out this low. I'm going to stick in here till 10:30. 1030 on MU.
It's the low of the day is 32.
We'll see. The Nasdaq, it's far from over, right?
Yeah, you have to put 30. Yeah, because of the spread and this. Yeah, you can't put 32. That's for sure. I put also a stop there.
Getting heavy now on the Qs, y'all. I don't mind holding on to Nvidia and Microsoft for now, but this is just brutal. Shake out the breakout, maybe.
Maybe.
Man. Come on now. There we go. Microsoft, wake up. Let's go. NVIDIA, wake up. SpaceX, let's go see 160. Look at this manipulation, shakeout. Now look at the cues. Getting back up to the close. I wouldn't be surprised if we get that big green candle. Called it a little early to the party, but listen, at least
go.
it's going to happen. Holding my 34 maple, aka the baseball bat, to swing it out the fence. Base is loaded. Grand slam on the potential deck here. Let's do this. CBRS, Edwin. Let me look at that. Are you going long, Edwin, or are you saying thanks for CBRS on the downside?
I'm watching Wendy's WEN. Give me another candle over 820. Stop under 8. Scott, I'm hoping MU it's triple bottom, and that's
Yep.
it.
That would be
Really?
beautiful. SpaceX running too.
Boom.
You
Google.
are-
What's Google doing? CRDO in the toilet. I wanted to short that stock, but Google looks great.
Who's the next partial? DVG 160?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, SpaceX.
Unless we start to reject right here, then, I don't mind
The volume
trimming
is
up.
good, looking good.
Yeah, definitely. NVIDIA, though, is kind of pissing me off today. I thought we'd get a little more. I know 202 is a big, big, big level for NVIDIA, and we almost got there today. 201.67, and then it just quit, which I don't understand. Guys, watch the cues here. Here comes the big green candle we've been waiting for all morning. SpaceX, Vamonos. Actually, you know what? 159. I'll probably take more off. So I think everybody's waiting for 160. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. To your point about bulls being more aggressive today, the size of the candles, the volume in the candles are way more significant than we're seeing from the sell side. Even though there's a lot of selling pressure, when the buyers show up, they show up in force today. So
We see
I
the
mean, I'm
result of
agreeing
the
with you,
cats, not of the bulls.
what's that?
We see but the only thing that we are seeing from the opening is the result of the cats, not of the bulls. I told you there is bears and cats today. So
SpaceX, y'all. 158. That looks good. I'm going to take some off here, Amir. I'm going to go early on 158. Let's see.
no, that's a trade. I feel confidence. I think I took a good partial there, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah, now I don't mind with the rest. I did take a partial, but I still had some size. on it.
Guys, Wendy's getting close. 820.
Nice, Jonathan. Cool. Yeah, Verizon. Yeah, VZ. Mark. Got replaced by Google in the Dow, which is an interesting move if you think about it. And I say that because communications may change when this whole space advent shows up, right? Verizon has to dig the hole, put the wire in the ground, but they're not going anywhere. Problem is they're not a sexy business. They are a residual type business. And the problem is their costs are the same and their profit margins likely will go down because people are going to want cheaper internet, faster internet, but cheaper. Wow, that's really gross.
Come on, MU.
The indecision is killing me today. Microsoft pops up to 375, now back to below the close. Like, what is that? Are you still in MU?
I am still in
Yeah.
MU.
Me too.
Both of you. Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
I took an absolute beating on it, and hopefully we get back here. I was thinking about keeping up like 100 shares for the
To the
for
earnings.
today for the announcement. Yeah.
We finally are getting the bullish engulfing candle over the VWAP on the Qs now. The SPY is pushing session highs. This, in theory, should be the breakout. Now, it doesn't have to because we've seen these markets are incredibly irrational. But, man, it took a little patience to get there. I'll tell you that. And I'm telling you, if NVIDIA hits 204 today, guys, we're going to do a giveaway. Barely held on to my call options on the Qs because I too was taking a beating.
Yeah, the key for MU is the VWAP, I think, the 1061, 1062.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, the sad thing is the market's up 100 points now, right? So we've come up 100 points off the bottom because we were just about flat to red. And MU, in its infinite wisdom, although up 20 points off the bottom, which is a good move, but again, you would think a stock like MU right now with the market being up 100 would be, you know, up big from yesterday, and it's still down almost $3 from yesterday's close.
Well, I'm going to step away here in 1 minute to go heat up some tea, but we'll be back in like a few minutes. But hopefully these markets make a decision, and that decision is to the upside. I'm watching your MU trade, by the way. 1071 is where your 200 EMA is sitting on the 1 minute. And then if you're looking at a 5 minute, it's up at 1087. So hopefully you get that 1070 here while I take a little tea break. I'll be back in a few.
All right. I would take that 1061, 1062 right now, and then we could talk about that 1071.
In 15 minutes, Scott, put MU. It looks like it wants to explode. Like, yeah, it looks very bullish. Put it on 15 minutes.
Okay.
Looks really good. Better than the other one. So usually if the time frame is bigger and it looks better, I get more confidence.
Yeah.
See, it looks
Yeah.
really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
for breaking, like we have a really good formation. Still watching the Wendy's. It broke like 3 cents the stop. Still I'm gonna take it with about 820, stop under the round number.
Traders, I'll be right back. Just give me a moment.
So that's the way MU. Above 56, I'm gonna add with $7 stop. So I got it MU. The first entry was 42, and then I reduce half position at 40. I add, again, half size I add to be full size, and I got stopped out for the add. And now I'm gonna add again to be in full size over 56. Have any question, guys? SPCX again, my second partial will be 160.
Up 130 points, and MU just up a point. Come on. Do something good for us here.
Okay, MU. 56, I'm gonna add again.
There we go.
Now touching the VWAP.
Green look. That's good.
1061, need 1062 for me to feel good.
Get that 1070. Come on.
Yeah, I'm with you, brother.
Pay that man his money.
Yeah.
And looks like Mark doesn't like this level of volatility. He was looking for more today. Rick watching Wendy's.
Yeah, Wendy's been in play all day.
Jonathan, pretty active today. I like it. Been in and out of Marvell, it looks like a few times. Edwin, it looks like he took the trade or joined us on SpaceX. Very nice. And what else? Who else is holding some positions out there, y'all? Talk to us.
Come on,
Come on,
MU.
Q's.
Be the biggest cheerleader if it rolls here.
Targeting 722 on the Q's, guys, for tomorrow. So my options are finally, worth some money again. But man, it got pretty brutal there for a minute. Go for three. Go for three strikes out. Oh, Microsoft, that is gross. Boo.
Come on. Right below the VWAP. Let's go. Let's get the breakout here. You'll get people interested in buying it. That is for sure.
What's CEG doing? No volume. I mean, did all the Bulls take a tea break? What's going on here, Scott?
Yeah, I mean, we're just squatting right now.
Jeez.
You know, I'm thankful we're squatting towards the high of the day, though. Okay, that's a good thing. Here goes MU. Come on, 1060. Wake me up when it comes up there.
You know, I've gravitated to like spearmint tea as being kind of my regular thing. But there's so many good teas out there. The problem is you know,
You like the Japanese tea?
yeah.
That's good. Usually jasmine, no?
They actually have, it's called like there's a Japanese tea I like. It's technically called white tea. It's pretty delicious. Problem is you got to, you know, go through the trouble of bagging it yourself and all that fun stuff. Whereas like the spearmint thing, the reason I like it is you just, you know, it comes in a big pouch.
Yeah.
Kobe, I'm in the 722s for tomorrow. It's like right now they're waffling up and down and now they're red again. But reason being is 722.12 is the all-time high on May 22nd. So if we're going to get a move to the upside, I'm looking for a 1% move on the Qs. If we can get a favorable direction, which right now, all day, inside day, sideways.
Well, I mean, and MU could give you that favorable direction, right? I mean,
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, Seth, I just saw your note. Tesla now and Google. I do think longer term, Google's got a good path ahead of itself. I mean, yeah, they lost somebody to Anthropic recently. There's a news headline, but I mean, they're not going anywhere. And I know there's a ton of people going like, oh yeah, it's going to kill the search engine, whatever. I'm like, you guys forget who has all the data. Google has all the data. They know what you search. They know where you live. They've been using AI way before it became popular. Arguably, they had one of the biggest AI computers and even capabilities. They just don't know how to, let's just say, market it appropriately. Sell it, I would say. Hey, Christian, what's up? You had to miss one today traveling from North Dakota to Austin. Cool, man.
wow, it's a long trip, right?
Yeah, hopefully you're flying. You're not driving, are you?
Flying.
Okay, cool, yeah.
Nice.
I'll say that's a long drive for sure.
North Dakota. Wow. How far is this from North Dakota to?
The flight's probably only a couple hours, though.
Yeah,
Maybe
2-3 hours, I bet you.
Yeah. I was thinking if he's driving, though, that's like, that's like a day.
Yeah.
You know?
Let's see.
I remember driving from California to Austin. That was a full day. I drove it straight.
21 hours.
Yeah.
21 hours drive. So probably you can do 5 hours, maybe rest, another 4. Yeah, you need to sleep somewhere. Yeah, in Kansas, That's in Kansas. Yeah.
You see what Rick said? He grew up in Minnesota, and he said if someone went to North Dakota, we'd ask him, "Hey, did you lose a bet?"
Oh, you can drive to Wichita. Wichita. And then
You know, it is something though. So from Texas to Virginia,
Texas to Virginia. Okay.
driving, right?
Okay.
Did that one with my wife, and we definitely stayed at hotels, and it was like I would say a planned out road trip to get here. Versus when I was driving solo, it was like, nah, let's just get there. Like a truck driver, just straight through. I think my version of rest was getting gas and eating a Subway sandwich on the way. Which, come to find out, they use yoga
That's
mats
the
in
influence
their,
of the women on us, Stevie.
oh, isn't it?
No, I know that. Yeah, I know. Believe me.
Christian didn't, by the way, didn't lose a bet. So
Only thing I can remember that you can do in North Dakota is go to, or it's South Dakota, go to see Mount Rushmore. No, I think.
hey guys, Nvidia is about to break out any second. Man, MU is gross.
They're
Drops.
fighting. They're fighting. You see, they're
100%, yeah.
fighting on the VWAP, and who is stronger? Yeah, because the volume is not increased, so you don't know exactly who's gonna.
Okay, that looks pretty promising. Very nice bullish engulf on the Qs right now, y'all. And a SPY hitting session highs. So we should get a move here. Let's see if there's follow through.
Okay.
And
Come
Google,
on, MU.
speaking
Let's
of,
go.
Look at that move on Google. Very nice pop.
Nice pop on the Qs, chasing that 718.
Mm-hmm. Who was it? Which one of y'all rolling with me on those call options? Hmm. Seth, when you mentioned like just the disrespect, there's it's like a guy on YouTube I saw, made me think of you. He walks around talking about, don't ever disrespect me, and then he'll say something, you know, kind of funny about that, but it reminded me of you. Made me chuckle. It's all right though, Seth. I mean, look, sometimes maybe it's either sizing, stop loss, or, you know, there's a myriad of ways to look at it, right? But I mean, heck, like today, I've been holding on to Nvidia and Microsoft all day, like falling asleep over here. But here come the Qs. And who was it? Kobe, I think. You rolling with the 722s? You feeling that? Let's go. They're at 460 now. We bought them just under 390. So let's see if we get a nice triple here. Yeah, no doubt, Mark. Getting a little push here. Like it. MU. Right back to the VWAP. Nvidia on its way. We see 202, guys. 204 should be a reality, and I will get paid.
Yeah.
Should be great. Meanwhile, though, Microsoft is not looking promising, but the SPY now pushing higher. Q's now high of session. We are off to the races, y'all.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We got a lot of guys. They love to buy this market. Actually, they love to bullet up. They call it. Everybody calls it bullet up. Actually,
Pull it up.
Oh. Guys, here comes the push. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it took a while, y'all, but let's go. Let's freaking go. Edwin. Yep, for sure.
Still need the MU over the VWAP, not under the VWAP.
I just took a tea break. That's all it took for us to get bullish, I think, on these markets. Look at that. 719, guys. I'm going to pull some of these bundles off on the call options I have because we're approaching $5. It got expensive there for a little bit, though. I'm not going to lie. Just because everything was down. Microsoft was down, NVIDIA was down, and call options were down. And I couldn't add to my positions because I'm not going to add to a losing trade. But
I'll be right back, traders.
Edwin, you're looking at 202.80. Is that right? Am I reading that right? Yep. On NVIDIA. I'm telling you, I want 204. What was it? 204.91. So basically 205. But 204.91 will get the job done for me. Managed to take some off. I didn't get quite $5, but we got close on those call options. So we still have a little over a bundle. I say a bundle, it's 10 contracts. So we had 12 left. It's a very nice move, though. Very nice. SpaceX winning trade. Call options on the Qs winning trade. Now, if we can get Microsoft, it's a beautiful setup on Microsoft, y'all. A reattempt, we undercut the 200 EMA on the 1 minute chart, bounced off that 200 EMA, and we are now through the VWAP. So we should, if we can get above, what is that? 3.7. Oh, shoot. Why can't I see that? Sorry, guys, give me a sec. 375.05. We can get over 375.05 on this push with Microsoft. That should, in turn, go double check what the top looks like for today. We'll make some money on that trade. I still don't quite understand the IWM being at 298 and moving higher. I don't fully get that because there is a risk of credit, rates going up. People are talking about the Japanese carry trade now, aka like inflation. When the dollar is weak, it's good for markets. When the dollar is strong, it's bad for markets. We can go to that some other session. But dollar's getting stronger, and we've seen our, the markets in turn move down to sideways. But it's kind of fun to watch that stuff. So that Japanese carry trade could be problematic. For those of you guys watching Kospi, Korean markets. If you're not, could be an interesting thing to keep an eye on overnight. Michael Aloha looking at Tesla, maybe to the downside. Let's take a look. CRDO, I'm not going to touch that one, so I'll.
Michael, it's better to go to the beach instead of trading Tesla. Michael, believe me, go to the beach. If you're surfing, don't deal. Tesla looks like NVIDIA. Not a good chart. It's not a good chart. No.
Not. Meta looks like it wants to push higher. Google looks like it wants to push higher. Microsoft is like a sleeping dragon. You guys remember last time I called a sleeping dragon? You remember which stock it was? They report earnings tonight. There's your hint.
It doesn't look good,
Yeah,
Rick.
nothing.
It doesn't look good,
Hey, Rex,
because
you're right.
see what happened. There is some problem around the VWAP. The 820 when it came the first time, it was solid 3 bars on the VWAP, and above 820, it was very good risk reward. Now, I don't know where is the stop, and I have to wait. Maybe during lunch or second part, it will establish something on the VWAP, and I can relate. Right now, no.
204.91 target on NVIDIA today. Kobe, you still rolling with the call options on the Qs, or did you take some off? And do you typically trade options? I'm curious. Yeah, I have a I mean, I use, as you know, use options a lot on the Qs or SPY. Occasionally for stocks, like the fact that like I've got IWM put options, but I pulled some off a couple days ago when we actually tanked. But now like they're red because I have not till mid-July or end of July rather. But I'm planning on holding them until then, so I'm actually using them as just because I don't get it. I'm like, if rates are going to go up, that's going to have a huge impact on the Russell. You're trending to options? Not for the Fatal Heart, though? What do you mean trending? Like you're moving more direction, you're saying? Ah, yeah, okay. Okay. So I trust you've learned all about the Greeks then, yes? Good. Good. Very good. I mean, even for me, I'm learning it too. Look, Kobe. Learn something new every day in this business, I'll tell you that. You sure do, Edwin. Yeah, 201 and change. I mean, it's on NVIDIA. 201.67 was the highest session. These markets just feel like undecided. So, hence why we take partials. The RSL first, you know. The fact that it's only moving in and out of like $2-3 tells me that NVIDIA wants to have a bigger move. Maybe you just look at the daily average trading ranges getting tighter. But there's a time it would move 5 to 6 points a day. Guys, Microsoft finally right over that 37505. Let's see if we can get some follow through on that. All right, Seth, take it easy. It's another day tomorrow. So in the news, we're hearing a lot more about, El Nino showing up. And half the time people are like, why are you talking about weather? Who cares? Well, it can have a huge impact on supply chains. And so as traders, we can probably make money off that depending on what the situation is. So it could be interesting to keep an eye on cruise lines, shipping. Names like Generac for generators. Tis the season. Come on, Microsoft. Pay me today, would you? Here we go. Come on. SPY looking great. Need the Qs to follow through. We still have 12 contracts left on the Qs.
That was up over 400 points. NASDAQ up over 200 points. And MU, of all people, is red today by $7, down almost 1%. Go figure. Yeah, I am red today. Could be a big red day if MU doesn't get its game together.
Come on, NVIDIA. There's the breakout formation. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Now we just got to see, hit the afterburners. But to be fair, we've been let down all day today on moves like that. So let's see if we can get it. Perfect timing, too. So I'll keep an eye on these trades. We're approaching 11 o'clock. I'm going to leave my Microsoft trade on. I'm going to leave my Qs. I've got, probably if we get around 720 on the Qs, I'm going to take some off of my call options here. But right now, thank goodness for SpaceX and the Qs. Help put some green in the pocket today. And if Microsoft and NVIDIA can follow through here, it could be a nice eventful green day for me, but we'll see. Here comes the push now on the Qs, y'all. 719.5. And some unsolicited advice, y'all. For your loved ones, your friends, your family, make sure you let them know you care about them, because you just never know. So, Scott, Amir, thank you. Appreciate y'all.
DVG, you start like a warrior with knives in your teeth. Now you become a lover. What's going on? What
Hey,
the
you know
market
what?
did to
Listen,
you?
you're either a lover or a fighter, but if you're a lover, you got to be able to fight. You know what I'm saying? So it depends on how you look at it. But no, seriously, appreciate y'all. I'm gonna head out. But Scott, Amir, good to see you. Thanks to
Thank you.
the 44 Trading Nation. We'll see y'all tomorrow at the Open. Till then, cheers. God bless.
Bye, DVG. I'm gonna be here another like 2 minutes if you have any question. I'm in the SPX, SPCX. My stop is under the close of yesterday, under 156. That trade gave me a few risk units, but SK, no, not SK, MU. I got 2 half ads.
Just can't get out of its own way. And you
Yeah.
can see those traders that that believe in using the VWAP and the power of the VWAP. You know, when you're below it all day, you know, you do nothing but trend below
Yeah.
or stay below. And when you're trending higher and you can break out, you know, it changes the there you go. It changes the trajectory of the stock, right? By getting over that VWAP.
You remember I told you, Scott, about MU, how it looks really good on the 15. Look at the 15 minute right now. See the battle. You know, there was like a version of like a bull flag and then three 15-minute candle dodges. Really, on the VWAP. Like, that's, it's going to explode up or down, Scott, but definitely these kind of things can't be like this. You're watching when? Yeah. We're talking about when the So you see what happened? It broke the 820. So it did 28 cents. Then it dropped down like 20 cents. I don't know. I don't read it clear. Now even if you want above 830, now your stop need to be under the VWAP, so you have around,
SpaceX running again.
yeah.
I cannot hear Amir.
You can hear me, Scott?
I can't hear you, Amir. No,
You hear me now?
I can hear you. Yes. Yep.
I was talking to myself. So you remember earlier we talked about MU, how in 15 minutes it looks like a really nice opportunity for bull flag. See what happened after that. We are 3 candles after that in 15, really strong dodges on the VWAP. Like it's
Yeah.
gonna explode someplace. I don't know, up or down. So Rick,
Needed to break.
8:30, but I don't know about when. I don't know. I don't read it, and basically, I don't know. So I trade today 2 stocks, to SPCX and MU. SPCX gave really few risk units profits. MU took some of this, really, because I got MU at 42. Then I reduce, then I add half position, out full, add another half position, out full, so I'm a little bit one risk unit off in MU, but SPCX, you know, gave with the add few risk units, so it's actually okay, but the issue is, it's been a while since I put so much effort about this stupid trade, you know, like, yesterday, MU was amazing, you know, the levels was tested right, you know, it respect the formation, everything went beautiful, like, it was like a dance. Today, today it's like a break dance, and I don't know how to dance it. Today it's really like, CUPR. But you know what about CUPR? If you mention it, and it's good, I'm watching it, and I didn't share. I think CUPR over 665 with, you know what? It's almost the same trigger that I wanted earlier. 655, 665, 665 with, yeah, 30-cent stop. You know what? That's a trade I'm definitely gonna take. I like what's CUPR doing. 665, 30 cents. Because it came nicely, like it broke the 9 EMA and actually went around with the 9 EMA, broke it, now it broke the VWAP, 663 is the high. Now it broke the stop. Yeah. What if it's coming back after this candle, I'm still gonna take this trade.
Okay, I don't think I'm going to be around any longer. Uh, so red day, and the red day could turn green depending on MU. But could be an ugly red day too if MU just decides to crumble. But the only hope I have is that the Dow's up 400 points and Nasdaq's up over 200. So we got the